Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to share with you and some important MCQ questions for the term 1 examination for class 10 students, and these questions are provided by the CBSE board, and whoever uh, wants to the more questions, more MCQ questions chapter wise like this, then you can you can comment in the comment box. Then let's start. The first question is here, what is the ratio of the lowest what is the ratio of the LCM and the HCF of the least composite number and least prime number. हमें पता है कि लीस्ट कंपोजिट नंबर क्या है. हमें पता है लीस्ट कंपोजिट नंबर क्या है. लीस्ट कंपोजिट नंबर है 4 और लीस्ट प्राइम नंबर है 2. उनका हमें क्या निकालना है, जो कि एलसीएम. 4 एंड 2 का एलसीएम होगा जो कि 4 एंड 8 से होगा जो कि 2. ठीक है, उनका जो रेशियो होगा क्या होगा, जो कि 2:1 होगा. ठीक है, 2:1, जो कि ऑप्शन बी ही उसका सही आंसर है. नेक्स्ट पे चलते हैं. द वैल्यू ऑफ के फॉर which the lines these and these coincides. We know very well when the lines are coincides, then they are. We know very well when the two lines are coincident to each other, when their coefficients, ratio of the coefficients, we know very well. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Then the lines are coincidence. Okay, here A1 represents to A1 A2 represents the coefficient of the x of the simultaneously two equations, and the B1 refers the coefficient of the y, and the C1 is the constant thing. Okay, here is not, here is we have to find here the value of the k. Then what should we do here? A1 means 5, A2 means 15. ठीक है, then we have to 5 by 15 equal to 7 by 21 equal to 3 by k. Okay, here always the answer, the ratio is 1 by 3. Then we have to find 1 by 3 equal to 3 by k. Okay, then the value of k is equal to 9. Here is the option A is the correct आंसर. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट पे चलते हैं. गर्ल वॉक्स 200 मीटर टुवर्ड्स ईस्ट एंड 150 मीटर टुवर्ड्स नॉर्थ. द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द गर्ल फ्रॉम द स्ट्रेट starting point. Starting, what is the distance? Let's see, here we draw a figure regarding to these questions. Like a girl walks 200 meter towards the east. Here is the girl, he walks toward 200 meter towards the east. इधर है ईस्ट, ईस्ट के तरफ से वो 200 मीटर चला इधर से. this distance is 200 meter. Then the point of the east is again started towards the north. This is 150 meter. ठीक है, this is the north point. Then here it is asked about the what is the distance between distance between the girl from the starting point. What is the distance of this? This is a right angle triangle. We know very well. How can you find the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse formula is the base, square of the base plus square of the height, root over of the square of the this. ठीक है, then we can find 200 square of the 200 is equal to 4 minus square of the 150 equal to, we can here find the sum of these squares. Okay, square of the base and square of the height. Okay, square of the height 150 square is 22500. Then we have to just find out its root over. The answer will be simply see, this answer will be 262,500 root over of the 662,500. It is the 250. ठीक है, the distance from the girl to the starting point is 250 meter. Here it is the option B is the correct answer. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट पे चलते हैं. The length of the diagonals of a rhombus is very simple questions these are. Then the find its altitude of the rhombus. Okay, देखो इधर यहाँ पे दिया है जो कि लेंथ ऑफ द टू रॉम्बस ऑफ ए diagonal of a rhombus, then we have to draw a clear figure of the rhombus here. यहाँ पर मैं ड्रा करती हूँ जो एक छोटा सा फिगर। देखो मैं इसको पहले इरेज करके दोबारा बनाती हूँ। देखो इधर हम रोम्बस का एक छोटा सा फिगर ड्रा करेंगे पहले। ये हो गया आपका जो कि रोम्बस हो गया। यहाँ पे सारे दोनों डायगोनल्स दिया है और डायगोनल का फॉर्मूला दिया है 24 सेंटीमीटर 32 सेंटीमीटर। हमें पता है व्हाट इज द altitude is the shortest distance. Okay, it means height. The other name of the height. Okay, here it is the d1 and d2 are given. This is d1 and this is d2. We have to first of all we have to find its base. Okay, what is the base formula is d1 by 2 whole square plus d2 by 2 whole square root over. ठीक है, here is the d1 by 2 equal to 12 square plus 16 square root over. ठीक है, 12 square plus 16 square is equal to 144 plus, ठीक है, the square of the 16 is 256. Here is the sum of the 144 and 256 is equal to 400, and the root over of the 400 is equal to 20, and 20 is the base of the rhombus. Okay, here we can find here the base of the rhombus, and then we have to find the area of the area of this rhombus. Area of the rhombus, if the diagonals are given, then half into half into d1 into d2. It means diagonal multiplication of the diagonals. ठीक है, then this is the area of the rhombus. We know how can we find the altitude of a rhombus. The area of the rhombus divided by the base. ठीक है, base, here is the base is the 20. We can easily just divide here 12 to 10 to 16 to 5 to 6. ठीक है, 16 6 96, 96 by 5 equal to 19.2 centimeter. Here 19.2 centimeter is the answer. Next questions. The next question is about based on the probability. Here the question is two fair coins are tossed. What is the probability of getting at most head? Here always you can remind this is the very small thing. Always students are regularly not be are not read properly, and they are facing so much problems in the examinations. Okay, आप सभी को ये वाला थिंग्स ना अच्छी तरह से पढ़ना चाहिए, क्योंकि यहाँ पे मोस्ट लिखा है या लीस्ट लिखा है। ठीक है, तो पहले हमें पता है जबकि हेड एक दो कॉइन एट ए टाइम हम टॉस करते हैं, कितना प्रोबेबिलिटीज आता है, कितना पॉसिबिलिटीज ऑफ द आउटकम्स। आइदर दो टाइम्स हेड हेड आता है, या एक बार हेड दूसरे बार टेल आता है, या पहला बार टेल दूसरे बार हेड भी आ सकता है, या दोनों ही टेल टेल भी आ सकते हैं। ठीक है, यहाँ पर पूछा है मोस्ट, इसका मतलब हेड कभी नहीं, टेल का यहाँ पे बिल्कुल नहीं हो सकता है। ठीक है, तो इसका मतलब कितनी बार हो गया, मोस्ट टाइम्स। कितने टाइम्स, यहाँ पे भी हेड है, यहाँ पे भी हेड है, यहाँ पे भी हेड है, इसका मतलब मोस्ट ऑफ द हला मोस्ट ऑफ द होगा 3/4। ठीक है, 3/4। हियर इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, आंसर इज ऑप्शन है। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट ABC and PQR. If AM and PN are altitudes of the ABC and PQR respectively, and AB square equal to, where is the AB square is to PQ square equal to 4:1, then what is the altitudes ratios? Okay, in the two congruency triangles, if they are corresponding sides, ratios are here given. Square of the corresponding sides ratios are given. First of all we have to find the ratio of the sides. Then the ratio of the sides is AB by PQ equal to 2/3, and this is also equal to the ratio of the altitudes like AM by PN. Okay, here is the ratio of the m is to pn equal to 2 is to 3. Here is the answer. This is the questions, this is the examples of your ncrt books. You can check there. Okay. Next, 2 sine square beta minus cos square beta equal to 2. Then what is the value of the beta? Okay. Here we can, you can you can solve these questions in two types. पहला types you can go through the options, and दूसरा types I can tell you here. Let's see. Here is the mentions. You can converted the single things. Okay. Here you can convert the cos. You can convert here the cos beta to the sine beta. Yeah, the sine beta to the cos beta. I can convert the cos beta's values to the sine beta. Then the answer will be 2 whole into 2 sine square beta. And we know what is the formula of the cos square beta regarding to the sine beta. It is the 1 minus sine square beta equal to 2, and the answer will be 2 sine square beta minus 1 plus sine square beta equal to 2. ठीक है. Here sine square beta and 2 sine square beta means add, if you add it, then the answer will be the 3 sine square beta equal to, we can transfer the minus 1 to the right sides, equal to 3, and sine square beta equal to sine square beta equal to 1. So what, who is sine value equal to 1? Sine 0. ठीक है. Here is the beta value equal to the 0. ठीक है. And this is the answer. Next, prime factors of a denominators of a rational numbers with the decimal expansions 44.123 are. Let's see. First thing. First thing, you have just convert this thing into the fraction, and the fraction will be 44123 divided by 1000. ठीक है. Then here it is asked us, what is the prime factors of the denominator of the rational number. Denominator is 1000, and the 1000 means 10 q. ठीक है. तो 10 का जो कि प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन है 2 and 5 बोथ आर द प्राइम. ठीक है. हियर इज द सी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट पे चलते हैं. द लाइंस x इक्वल टू a एंड y इक्वल टू b आर टेस्ट. x is equal to a means, ठीक है, x is equal to a means if we draw this, x is equal to a is a line parallel to y axis. ठीक है. These lines are parallel to y axis, and this is y and this is the x. ठीक है. एंड y इज इक्वल टू b मीन्स पैरेलल टू x एक्सिस. ठीक है. ये y इक्वल टू b का जो कि लाइन हुआ, और ये हो गया x इक्वल टू 1, एंड दो लाइन यहाँ पे इंटरसेक्ट किया दिस पॉइंट में. ठीक है. तो दिस आंसर विल बी द ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट, इंटरसेक्टिंग. नेक्स्ट पर चलते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है इधर. हियर इट इज आस्क्ड अबाउट, यहाँ पे पूछा है कि द डिस्टेंस पॉइंट फ्रॉम द ओरिजिन. हमें पता है जबकि ओरिजिन से, इसका मतलब ये वाला पॉइंट ना हमें सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में रहेगा. ठीक है. ये वाला क्वाड्रेंट पे -5, यहाँ से यहाँ तक -5, और ऊपर जाके 6. ठीक है. 6 जाएगा तो ये वाला पॉइंट आएगा, जहाँ पे जो पॉइंट का नेम है ए. ठीक है. वो पूछा कि यहाँ पे ओरिजिन से ये वाला का जो कि डिस्टेंस कितना है. यहाँ पे ये एक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल फॉर्मेशन कर दिया है. इसका मतलब ये हो गया -5, ये हो गया 6. इफ वी फाइंड, इफ वी हियर वी पुट द पिथागोरस थ्योरम लाइक, एंड द आंसर विल बी -5 स्क्वायर ऑफ द -5 प्लस स्क्वायर ऑफ द 6 द रूट ओवर, देन द रूट ओवर ऑफ दिस. ठीक है. And the answer will be -5 square of the -5 equal to 25 and square of the 6 is equal to 36. then कुल मिला के ये सारा 61 हो जाएगा, जो कि ऑप्शन डी ही ठीक है, सही आंसर है इसका, जो कि -61 यूनिट्स. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, इफ स्क्वायर बाई 23/25 then a is what. ठीक है. then a is, then what is the a is root over of the 23/25, and a is the root over of 23 divided by root over of 25 is 5. then it is the rational function, rational. ठीक है. and for today this most question. If you like the video, then please like and share with your friends. Thank you so much. Have a nice